So in order to talk about healthy or unhealthy habits and give advice to people, we're going to use se debe, one must, or debes, you must, to express obligation or responsibility to someone regarding those healthy or unhealthy habits. So the rule we're going to see is se debe or debes plus an infinitive verb. Let's see this a bit closer. Here we have se debe, which means one must. And if we put the no at the beginning, becomes no se debe, which means one must not. Then we have debes, which means you must. And if we add the no at the beginning, becomes no debes, and it means you must not. So what is the difference between se debe or debes? So se debe is what we call an impersonal construction. And this means that no one in particular is doing the action. It is great to use it in writing or speaking because it shows complex language and it's going to give you extra marks. So se debe is generally, and in English you express it with one, like one must. But debes, as you see, is conjugated for the you singular form. So that is the main difference. Now we say se debe or debes plus infinitive verb. So in Spanish, infinitive verbs end in ar, or ir. And in English, infinitive verbs are always headed by to, like to drink or to eat. So here we have all the infinitive verbs we have seen previously. Beber agua, beber alcohol, comer verdura, fumar, etc. So that would be the main rule. Se debe, debes plus an infinitive. Remember that always when we have two verbs in Spanish or English, the second one is going to be an infinitive. It means not conjugated. Now, when we're giving advice or we're telling someone that they have an obligation and they should do something, they must do something, we're always going to give reasons. So we're going to add reasons with porque, or ya que, or debido a, or puesto que. And then we're going to say why. So, for example, porque es bueno para la salud, it's good for your health. Porque es malo para la salud, because it's bad for your health. Because es sano, porque it is healthy. Porque tiene mucha grasa, because it has a lot of fat. O porque tiene mucho azúcar, because it has a lot of sugar. I put the no here in red because if we add it before the sentence, it becomes completely the opposite. So if I say, porque no es bueno para la salud, it would be because it's not good for your health. Porque no es malo para la salud, because it's not bad for your health. Porque no es sano, because it's not healthy. You see? So we make a negative just by adding the no in front of the verb. So let's practice a little bit together with this sentence builder. So let's see. For example, I want to say one must eat vegetables because it is good for your health. So how would I start using this sentence builder? So I'm going to start with my green column, the first one. So one must, it is se debe. Now, I'm going to go to my infinitive column, eat. So how do I say to eat? Vegetables. And that is comer verdura. Now I'm going to give my reason, because, with porque, and I'm going to say it is good for your health, which is in my last light orange column. And that is es bueno para la salud. So I'm left with se debe comer verdura porque es bueno para la salud. Let's do another sentence. You must not smoke because it's not good for your health. So you see here we have two negative sentences. So let's see how to do it. So you must not. I'm not going to choose the debe. This time I'm going to choose debes because it's you must. And I'm going to add the no at the beginning because it's a negative. So no debes. Now I want to look for smoke, which is fumar in my second column. And then because, porque. And now I want to say it's not good for your health. So I'm going to choose the first line as in the beginning, like es bueno para la salud. But I'm going to add that no before. So no es bueno para la salud. And I am left with no debes fumar porque no es bueno para la salud. Right, now is your time to practice with this sentence builder. You should copy this sentence builder in your book and have it accessible when you have to revise for the exam, because many of this information will be key in the exam.